This video shows you how to choose a web host. A web host provides space for your website in their computer, which is connected to the internet. The series shows you how to create your own personal internet website like the one shown here. Videos in the series should be watched in order from the playlist. To open the playlist, pause this video, click the eye in the upper right corner of the window, then click the playlist pop-up. To revisit the playlist later, create a shortcut while the playlist is open. To set up a website, you need to get web space on the internet. Start by checking with your ISP, Internet Service Provider. If they offer this service, it's probably free, but it might be worth what you pay for it. There are many web hosting companies that register domains, personal web addresses, and provide web space for personal websites. And the cost can be as low as $10 a month. Some web hosts just rent web space, and you upload your website to the host. In that case, it's up to you to create your website in your home computer using web creation software that you can purchase online. You create it in your computer, and when it's ready, you send it to the host computer with a process called FTP, File Transfer Protocol. The host computer is connected to the internet and provides your space for your website. All the changing and creation of the website is up to you in your home computer using a website creation program such as Dreamweaver from Adobe. I've done a website this way, but I don't recommend it for non-techies. The steps to create the website in your computer are very complicated. Another type of host provides web space and web creation tools. In that case, you create your website in the host computer. So all you do in your home computer is you open the host computer's website that you're renting, and you send it commands to create and maintain your website. Your website always stays in the host computer where it's connected to the internet. This process is much simpler. The website creation tools are probably no more complicated than a typical word processor. All you send, again, from your computer to the host computer are commands to edit your website. I do recommend this method, as I said, for non-techies, that means the rest of us, and am using One-on-One Internet Incorporated for my website host, and they do offer the web creation tools as we just described. Here's how to get started with your personal website. Sign up with a web host, check a bunch of them out, check the prices, check the types. I recommend you get a web host that provides online web creation tools like we just discussed. Get them to walk you through the first steps here because they can be a little tricky. Get them to help you register a domain, which is a personal website address. You want to pick one that you can remember easily. For instance, mine is tomstechnotes.com. You have to pick one that's available, of course, and hopefully your web host company will also register the domain for you. Otherwise, you'll have to go to a separate company to register a domain. Have them help you set up your initial website and create the first page for it and publish it so people can open it from the internet. If they provide the feature at your web host, get them to show you how to add a login button at the bottom of the page. What will happen with that feature is anybody can access your website. The page will show a login button at the bottom. If you click that button and have the password, you can immediately start editing your website. That's the easiest way to maintain your website, and One-on-One does offer that feature, as we'll see later. When you type your domain name into any of your web browser's address boxes, it will open the home page of your website. My home page has a photo on it. We'll show you how to put a photo there. I'm not affiliated with One-on-One other than as a satisfied customer. But if you decide to sign up with them based on my recommendation and video, please give them my name, Thomas Wallace, and I'll get a finder's fee. That's the end of this video. The next videos in this playlist demonstrate how to manage pages and edit pages in a website hosted by One-in-One Internet Incorporated. That's the end of this video. If you liked this video, please click like and please subscribe to my channel. The channel has 250 computer help and hobby videos.